Good morning. It's a new day. We're in Seville. So I'm gonna do a room tour. When you first step in, it looks like this. We have the living room on the right side. And pretty nice. This is a smart TV. And we have like little, I forgot what they call this. It's like not a balcony, but then we have a kitchen. Nick is reading the recommendations from the Airbnb host. Pretty cool kitchen. And then there's a fridge in there. When you walk down the other side of this hallway, we have a bathroom on the left-hand side. These are kind of freaky. Pretty clean. And then we have the bedroom here and another closet in there. A little bit sick over this trip. Yeah, my nose is plugged. We had a very late start today because our flight last night was pretty late, and then we didn't get to the Airbnb until almost 12. Ah, it's so pretty.
The rest of the day means we've melted.
It is very hot. First impressions. Very hot today.
Gorgeous weather.
Gorgeous, but very hot. Feels like 30. Feels like 29.
UV of 8.
This is so much more charming.
The sky is so blue.
So blue. There's not a single cloud in the sky. Cheers. It's good. Yum. Our patatas bravas have arrived. Nico said that this is the best croquette of his life. And I agree. $14 donut, oxtail. Just got it from this place. Woo! Think about it and tell them what you think.
It's a nice lemon. Very refreshing.
Ooh, that is so warm.
It's like a minty lemon.
Yeah, it's good. Fit check. Okay. I'm wearing one of the same outfits I wore in Barcelona. Got these from Pull&Bear. And this is from Brandy Melville.
T-shirt from True Classic. Lululemon shorts.
Yeah. Now we're gonna walk.
The whole thing almost came out.
I think I got that on camera. We did not get tickets to the Royal Alcazar.
It's
Pretty expensive, and also it looks a lot like some of the places that we've been to in Portugal. I actually saw a number of like mediocre ratings when I was looking. So because we are on a little bit of a budget, we're gonna save some money. But instead we're gonna go to some places that are a little bit more budget friendly and are interesting and give you a taste of Seville. So we're going to the Plaza de España.
What?
It's free. You can just walk there. So that's where we're going. We have been sitting on this park bench for probably 20 minutes now.
No.
Yeah.
10. So hot.
Yeah.
La lluvia cae tan fuerte en mi ventana y se evapora como gotas de tu amor. Y las luces de los autos brillan como las estrellas.
It is so hot in the sun, but it's so pretty. Gonna go walk in the shade. Apparently they filmed some Star Wars here, so it's pretty cool. Water.
Todavía piensas en mí. ¿Dónde estarás? ¿Dónde estarás? Yo sigo pensando en ti. Quiero saber si todavía te quedará un poquito
What is this?
Beef lasagna.
Beef lasagna, baby squid noodles. Yum.
vida que me ahogo en el alcohol. Que no acepto que termine.
Got gelato from the place.
Oh, you want that?
Hello.
Does this mean that we can't get back into our building? Because we have it's a electronic buzzer. Probably locked out.
Some nice people said that the power is out in all of Spain and Portugal right now. I know some people who are in Portugal right now. What if we can't get in like all day?
Well, the good news is that we live in a big building, so we would just camp outside and we're just in open the building.
Camping outside, how about that? Got some shops from the grocery store to keep us a little bit tummies full.
A little bit tummies full.
Can't get in. Look at this. Dead. Didn't think about bringing the keys. Nick just got a haircut in Seville, but it was like a really nice old guy. But he said he got eggified. Kind of looks like an egg now. It's not that bad.
Everybody that free section full of baddies. We just wanna have fun with our mother, no one know. Body better than we, no, body better than we. If you came out tonight for the time of your life, that's why your body put down. That's why your body put down.
Post-dinner dessert. We've gotten gelato. We also got tickets to go see the this thing. I forgot what it was called. We don't like paying for stuff, but I feel that we have not paid enough to see some of like the main sites. But we are here, so
yeah,
it's supposed to be nice. It'll have a nice view of Seville. Today was a pretty tough day. I also had like a headache throughout the whole day, so thankfully it's not like we had a really tough itinerary to go through.
I had a nice day.
Seville is really nice. I really like Seville. I think very chill vibes. It's very cute and quaint and peaceful, and it's not as touristy as Barcelona, and I think it's more charming than Barcelona, to be honest. Like the little cobblestone streets.
The weather's gorgeous here. Well, it's really hot. Depends.
It's been really hot. Like feels like 30, but like the UV is strong. It's strong.
Ever since I was a chick, knew I was a shit. Try to keep on her come around, she wanna get hit. She think she don't make me, can I keep her by my side? Never don't post on no watch, she know that I'm timeless. I put my son in some